Oil prices are bracing for another weekly gain, although yesterday Brent crude tried to stay firm above $90 per barrel. It still fell to the area of $89 per barrel as part of a technical correction. Given its recent steep gains with no significant pullbacks, oil is deeper in overbought territory. If there is no correction, the market will need a pullback after hitting another high. That's actually what is happening. At the same time, bullish sentiment prevails and the asset is still being driven by tighter supply from Russia and Saudi Arabia. Thus, oil prices are expected to extend gains, heading for the level of $100 per barrel. Speaking of the yellow metal, a number of Fed officials highlighted the need to leave interest rates unchanged at the upcoming Federal Open Market Committee meeting, and that was enough for gold to pare some losses, rising to almost $1,930 per troy ounce. Nevertheless, there is no talk of interest rate cuts so far. It's rather about slowing the pace of rate increases. So, gold prices are still under pressure, and thus the asset will most likely keep losing value, gradually sliding to $1,900 per troy ounce when the price returns to the 1,915 mark. A downtrend will resume. Now let's move on to the Russian financial market. Yesterday, the ruble briefly gained, driven by rumors that the Bank of Russia could raise the key interest rate again next week. However, monetary policy did not have a severe impact on the Russian currency, and the quotes pulled back. The regulator's currency interventions in the foreign exchange market are of greater importance to traders, given that the market is expecting an increase in the volume of currency sales by the Russia's central bank. Market participants are interested in driving the dollar as high as possible in advance. And according to the trading chart, a sharp drop in the dollar positions led to a slight decline in the value of the dollar against the ruble, but there were no dramatic changes. In the event, the quote not only recovered lost ground, but also hit a new local high. Despite price fluctuations, we can say that market sentiment remains bullish, regardless of various technical and fundamental factors. Meanwhile, the stock market collapsed on rumors of a possible interest rate hike. It's too early to talk about a full-fledged correction, but apparently we are witnessing the start of it. And that's all for now. We continue to follow developments in the financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow the news with us, and see you soon.